Here I have OPPO A77s, and today I'm going to show you how to insert SIM card and SD card into this device. So to do this, you will need this kind of tool, which might help you to eject the SIM card and SD card slot. So firstly, you will have to remove the case, if you have one. Here we can find the SD card and SIM card slot. To eject it, we'll need this tool. We put it inside the this hole on the slot, slightly press it, and it will pop out. Now we can eject it with our bare hands. So here you insert your SD card, and here you insert your SIM card. And then you put it back into your device, just like this. And as you can see, it immediately requires PIN code to my SIM card, which is the proof that SIM card is detected. So let me enter it. And to show you that, and as you can see, there's also a notification pop out. You can manage your SD card in My Files, which is the proof that SD card is also detected. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.